Hello everybody, hope everyone is doing good and staying safe. Today I present to you one another Unicorn DreamCatcher tutorial. The basic things you will need are a ring, this is an embroidery ring, and thread to weave, this is a thin wool. The very first step is to wrap the ring with the wool. This step will give volume to the ring. Now let's move ahead for the web. As usual, start by making knot at one end of the ring and secure it with clear nail paint or clear dry glue. Let's start weaving. The web is going to be a normal traditional one. You can check out my other videos on DreamCatcher to get different kinds of web. Hold the thread in one hand along with the ring and pass it under the ring to make a knot. Repeat it for the entire ring. Try to keep equal spaces between the knots. Once you are finished one round, repeat the same, catching the loops you made earlier. Keep repeating till you reach the center. When you are near to the center, you can skip making knots and simply pass the thread in each loop. And when you are very close, simply pull the string or wool to make a beautiful web and secure it, making a knot. You can make multiple knots if needed. Put some clear nail polish or clear dry glue and cut it short. Let's move on to the unicorn horns. For that, I am using a foam board and I am tracing the horn of the unicorn head and two triangles for the ears. Here I have some glitters. Use generous amount of glue and sprinkle the glitters on it. Let it dry completely and put some more glitters if needed. Everything is ready now. The web is ready. Here we have some feathers onto which I have added some pearls. And some flowers made out of glitter paper. Let's attach everything together. Here I'm using hot glue to quickly attach these things together. Isn't it looking beautiful like a headband? After attaching the feathers, your Unicorn DreamCatcher is ready. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you are new here. Do check out my other Dreamcatcher videos. Till then, have a blessed slumber. Bye bye.